Neurodegenerative disorders such as Parkinson's disease display accumulation of proteins called alpha-synuclein in the brain. This protein aggregates and forms insoluble fibrils called Lewy bodies, a typical hallmark of the disease. The normal function of alpha-synuclein is not clear, but there are evidences that this protein interacts directly with phospholipid membranes of vesicles and is responsible for vesicular transport across the synapses. Alpha-synuclein consists of a polar domain which interacts with the hydrophilic environment of the cytosol. It also has hydrophobic residues which is buried in the acyl chains of the lipid bilayer. These hydrophobic residues are also responsible for the toxicity of the protein. Also, there are positively charged lysine residues which separates these two domains and interacts directly with the anionic surface of the membrane. Under normal conditions, alpha-synuclein exists as native unfolded protein. In presence of lipid, it adopts alpha helical conformation. Next, the dimerization occurs on the membrane and it changes to beta sheet. This leads to the formation of beta oligomers, which results in protein aggregate deposit to form toxic Lewy bodies. The binding of alpha-synuclein to cholesterol and sphingomyelin containing vesicles could help in stabilization, possibly protecting them from premature fusion as a result of curvature stress. In healthy neurons, alpha-synuclein localizes to the synaptic vesicles and modulates vesicle pools at the synapse. In diseased conditions, alpha-synuclein increases lipid interactions and reduces curvature, leading to the clustering of vesicles in the reserve pool. These stalled vesicles creates high concentration of alpha-synuclein. Such enhancement of activity leads to synaptic dysfunction and damage to ER, mitochondria, and other organelles. These consequences of defects leads to toxic events leading to the pathophysiology of Parkinson's. In short, alpha-synuclein normally is a critical regulator of synaptic vesicle dynamics in vertebrates, whereas too much of its membrane interaction can lead to cellular dysfunction and development of Parkinson's.